Hello and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we will be installing the Volkswagen GTI Mark 8 shift knob. Pull up on the shifter boot perimeter and remove the shifter boot. Insert the small screwdriver into the loop of the locking strap. Then wiggle to release the locking strap. Pull up on the shift knob to remove. Cut the shift boot off from around the factory shift knob bottom edge. Remove the shift knob. Push out the shift pattern insert. Insert the Boomba shift knob through the boot. Secure the boot to the knob with the provided zip tie. Slide the shift knob over the shaft. Tighten the 4 set screws around the perimeter to secure. Reinstall the shifter boot. Line up and press in the shift pattern insert. And you're done! Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Drop a follow for more install videos, sound clips, and more.